A range manager, also known as a rangeland ecologist or range conservationist, is a professional responsible for the sustainable management and conservation of rangelands. Rangelands are vast natural areas like grasslands, shrublands, and deserts that are used for grazing livestock, wildlife habitat, and other purposes. Range managers work to maintain the ecological balance of these landscapes, ensuring they remain productive and healthy for both present and future generations. Career values, traits, and skills. Successful range managers typically possess the following values, traits, and skills: passion for conservation, a deep appreciation for natural ecosystems and a commitment to their preservation; scientific knowledge, a solid understanding of ecology, botany, soil science, wildlife management, and other relevant disciplines; land management skills, expertise in developing and implementing management plans that balance the needs of livestock, wildlife, and the environment; problem-solving skills, identifying and addressing challenges such as invasive species, erosion, and drought; communication skills, effectively communicating with landowners, ranchers, government agencies, and other stakeholders; data analysis skills, collecting and analyzing data on vegetation, wildlife populations, and other ecological indicators; outdoor skills, working comfortably in rugged outdoor environments and navigating diverse terrain; career path, a bachelor's degree in range management, natural resources management, or a related field is typically required for entry-level positions. Some range managers pursue graduate degrees to specialize in specific areas or advance their careers. Relevant certifications such as the Certified Range Management Consultant, CRMC, or Certified Professional in Rangeland Management, CPRM, can enhance job prospects. Salary range. The salary for range managers in the USA varies depending on experience, education, location, and employer. The average annual salary is around $63,750, but it can range from $38,670 to $100,440 or more for experienced professionals. Tips for success: gain practical experience. Seek out internships or volunteer opportunities with government agencies, conservation organizations, or ranches to gain hands-on experience in rangeland management. Build relationships. Network with other professionals in the field, including ranchers, landowners, and agency personnel. Stay current. Rangeland management practices and regulations are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest research, technologies, and policies. Seek continuing education. Participate in workshops, conferences, and training programs to enhance your knowledge and skills. Embrace technology. Familiarize yourself with GIS, geographic information systems, and other technologies used in rangeland assessment and management. References: Society for Range Management, SRM, Bureau of Land Management, BLM Careers, U.S. Forest Service Careers, Rangeland Manager.